By that standing ovation, I now know that all of you have cases before the Supreme Court. You know, Dom Saludo and I meet each other every week in court, in the tennis court. That's why he didn't want to introduce me too long, because I always threatened to beat him. President Cesar, Ubaldo, and the other distinguished personalities in the head table, led by Governor Ed Tumangan. And we have two past presidents, past President Dong and past President Tito, both of whom are distinguished lawyers. It seems that in your cases before the Supreme Court, you have chosen not to have them as your lawyers. Director Romy Batilo and the lawyer of the first family. And I, of course, agree with my colleagues in the Supreme Court, led by Justice Leo Quezontin. Who, by the way, went to the Supreme Court from the Cabinet. He was Secretary of Labor, Secretary of National Defense, Senior Deputy Executive Secretary before joining the Supreme Court. And also with my colleagues in the Court of Appeals, led by new Presiding Justice Ruben T. Reyes. I'm happy they made it here despite the bombing at the Court of Appeals premises. I'd like also to greet a few people. You know, Alde Cruz is the chairman of the Philippine Committee of the ASEL Law Association. He is the chairman, I'm only a member. I have to pay tribute to him. And of course, Ambassador Vic Garcia. You know, Ambassador Garcia hosted us during our visit to Vienna, together with his wife, Connie. That's why I was looking for Connie. You don't have her permission to come here. I have to remember my wife, Lenny. You know, in the Supreme Court, we are all members of PUHAW. Union of Husbands Afraid of Wives. I am the president of that since I was president of the Rotary Club of Manila. There are a lot more people in the audience who, of course, I know very well, and this is really a reunion of sorts for all of us.